Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share one of the easiest and quick recipe of vermicelli upma. So this is my kids' favorite. So without delay, let's start. So here I have taken 2 cups of roasted vermicelli, 1 cup of julienne carrots, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, quarter cup of roasted peanuts, a small piece of ginger finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 cups of water. So starting off with heating up a pan and adding oil into it. Then I'm gonna add the mustard seeds and let it splutter. Followed by I'm going to add the chana dal and the urad dal and I'm going to roast them well. Once they turns into slightly brown, I'm going to add the onions, saute them. Then I'm going to add the green chilies and the ginger. Give it a mix and I'm going to cook them till it gets a slightly brown or translucent. To fasten up the cooking, I'm going to add the salt, to enhance the flavor, adding curry leaves. So now the onions has become slightly translucent. At this point we're gonna add the carrots, giving a mix, and we're gonna cook them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes or till the carrots become slightly soft. Now we're gonna add the turmeric powder, giving a mix, and then we're gonna add the 2 cups of water into it. Stir it well. I'm gonna cover the pan with a lid till the water comes to the boiling point. So now as you can see, the water has been boiling. At this point I'm gonna add the roasted vermicelli. So adding it. Give a good mix. And again I'm gonna cover the pan with the lid till the water gets completely soaked up. So after a minute we're gonna check. Still there is a slight water in content, so we're gonna cook them till it gets completely dry. You can check the salt at this point. If you require, you can add in. Now the water is completely dried. We're gonna turn off the flame, and at the end we're gonna add some roasted peanuts. Give a mix. Be gentle while mixing it. We don't want our vermicelli to get mushy. So that's it. This was the very easiest and quick recipe of vermicelli upma. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Serve hot the breakfast or in the tea time. I like to garnish with some sesame seeds or lemon juice. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Let me know in the comments below and share it to your friends. If you're new, subscribe to my channel right now. So till I meet you with a new recipe, take care. Bye bye.